And as we get older and we become more self-conscious, then things start to separate more, and then we start putting everything into a filing system. Right? We've learned all the basics, and now we're starting to file things away. Because think about that. If our subconscious minds are taking in absolutely everything, every second, every piece of data, everything we see, everything we hear, everything we experience throughout the day, that's an overwhelming amount of information. And so I always think of your subconscious back there filing things away, like an old school library system with the little drawers and the little files, and it's just getting organized, right? It's getting put away. But what happens is our subconscious mind remembers all the things, including things that didn't feel good, things that were uncomfortable, those past hurts and those traumas, and times we were disappointed or upset. And sometimes what can happen is people overgeneralize and think, well, if this happened before, what if it happens again?